In this quick video, I'll show you how you can mass delete emails inside of Gmail. So here I am in just a Gmail account that I use for random stuff, and it's mostly AliExpress emails, and I've got 8,000 of them, and it would be a pain to right click and delete all emails, and to even go through and select them all. So what we need to do is we need to go ahead and click on select, and do note that I'm deleting the primary emails. You can do this for promotions, social and updates. So click on this and it's going to select all 50 conversations on this page. If you need to delete all of your emails, you can go ahead and select all 8,455 emails in my case here. We can also do this in the promotions tab, so I'll just do this in the promotions tab. So we can select all of the conversations in the promotions tab, and once they're all selected, all 4,000, we can click on the trash can icon, click OK, and there you go. It should take a while here, but it is going to delete your emails. So I keep refreshing it. It is going quite slow, but as you can see, every time I refresh it, it does actually go down. So it is deleting them. You might have to do this a couple of times because Google isn't really used to deleting that many emails at once, but they will disappear eventually. You can see here, depending on how many conversations are selected, this might take longer. So that's how you do it. Let me know if this works in the comments below.